everybody. I'm here with Jen, who is in our new Heal Your Gut course. And Jen was generous enough to come on video and share about her experience so far, which I'm so grateful for. So Jen, do you mind telling us what you think of the new Heal Your Gut course so far?
Hi, everyone. As she told you, my name is Jen. I am 42. I live in Canada, all the way up here in cold Alberta. It's really cold here right now. I'm 42. I've been following Ashley for quite a while on her basic page and stuff like that. When I seen the opportunity to sign up for this course, I was all for it, especially to start a little bit early. We're kind of in almost like a lockdown in Alberta right now, so I've had lots of extra time to learn. So I'm almost done part of the course, so I can tell you a few things. A couple of things for me, why I signed up for the course. I feel like everybody kind of knows their body enough that they know when something's off. I'm a pretty healthy person in general or whatever, but for the last, I don't know, couple months, my skin has been breaking out really bad. Not TMI, but I have some gas and bloating going on. Husband's really loving it. And I just can feel that something is off, and I don't know what. So I know that it starts in my gut, and I know that I wanted to figure it out. So when I seen the opportunity for this course, I jumped right on. A couple of things to tell you, because I am almost done the course or whatever. I have been in it for a week, and I have been really zoning in on it, of why I love it. Super easy to follow. It's not like a whole bunch of technical jargon, like I don't want to say dietitian words, but like I understood every word. I understood everything. It wasn't like really technical. It was put into like, I want to say human words. It was really easy to follow so far. Straightforward and simple. It's the things that I've learned so far aren't like big shifts in like I have to go out and buy things or do things. It's like just little shifts that I will do within my own personal self and my own personal time with the breathing techniques or the yoga and stuff like that. It's little things that I can do from home. I don't have to leave my house. I don't have to spend any money. I don't have to spend a lot of, because we all are busy with lots of things. I don't have to spend any extra time or energy on a lot of things. So that really mattered to me. What else can I tell you? It's easy, it's straightforward. It's like watch a video, click. You can save all the files and stuff to be able to go back to be able to see the slides later. I really like that because I'll go through the whole course and then I'll be able to go through and be like, let me look through that little poop chart again. I want to see what's going on there. So it's really easy. I'm not a really technical person, and if I can do it, you can do it. That was really huge for me, for it not to be really hard. Why I think you should all join, because you get to hang out with me. If that's not enough, come on, like duh. I'm really fun, by the way. Because it like a couple of reasons why I joined and why I think you should join. Super fun, super easy. You get you get access to a dietitian for like quite a great deal, right? The price point of what she's charging for this and the value of what you get, plus the access to a dietitian for the whole time, that alone is worth every penny of it. And it's fun, it's easy, and you're gonna get results. I'm just starting the elimination part, elimination diet part of the teaching right now, and working into doing some of the elimination parts. So I'm super excited for some results. And that's probably what you all want too, is some results. So hanging out with me, hanging out with a dietitian, and getting results. What more could you ask? Thanks.
Thank you so much, Jen. I really appreciate that. And I did not pay her to say that.
Yeah, I'm definitely not being paid for this advertisement.
We're new friends, so I really appreciate it. We're gonna start creating a new Facebook community for the course as well, so you'll get some extra support that way. And as mentioned, this is the best deal it'll ever be, because I do want feedback, and we're gonna constantly be improving it. So thank you so much, Jen, for sharing your experience, and hopefully this helps you make the decision to join us inside of the new Heal Your Gut course. So thanks for watching.
See you all in there.